Once upon a time, in a medieval Arabian palace, there lived a very wise man, and he was so wise that the king of that land became jealous of his wisdom. Oh, and by the way, the man's name was Abu Nawas. One day, the king sat on his golden throne and put his head in his hands and said, "Oh, Abu Nawas, I wish I had your brains." So Abu Nawas said, "Well, you can have them if you want. Just take a bath without getting wet." The king thought for a moment. Well, how hard can that be? Then he said, "You're on. If I take a bath without getting wet, I'll give you my brains." But secretly, the king thought, who can take a bath without getting wet? Even animals shake themselves dry after a swim. But still, if he manages it, I guess I'll have to give him my brains. So the next day, Abu Nawas walks into the palace holding a glass bottle full of water. He smiles at the king and says, "I bathe." The king looks at him, puzzled. Then he looks at the bottle in Abu Nawas's hand and bursts out laughing. Abu Nawas had taken a bath. The water in the bottle was the only thing that got wet. The rest of him, including his clothes, was bone dry. The king wiped a tear from his eye and said, "That was a good one. Abu Nawas, you win. My brain." And so, Abu Nawas took the king's brains and gave them away to whoever he wanted. And everyone in the kingdom was happy because they got a little bit smarter. And the king wasn't too upset about it all, because he had his wits about him. He didn't let Abu Nawas' trickery get the better of him. Instead, he laughed it off and moved on. And everyone in the court lived happily ever after, except for the royal pig Asker, who was executed for trying to assassinate the king. The end. Did you like this story? If you did, please leave a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.